comes to the people themselves, Hoover is going to want to help people, obviously, but what we need to understand here is that Hoover wants states and cities to take care of people instead of the federal government. He does not want the federal government to provide what's popularly called relief, or money given directly to poor families. Think about it like this. Here's your family of people in the Depression that aren't doing well. What Hoover wants are states, like the state of Pennsylvania here, to give them money. Or even their little city, like Manchester. He wants Manchester to give them money. That's their business. In his mind, it's not the business of the federal government of the entire United States to provide that money to that poor family. He would rather see it happen on a local level, because let's not forget that above all, Hoover, right at its roots, believes in laissez-faire. He does not want the government involved in the economy as much as other people do. So he does not want to see these people get money from the federal government. He's going to then encourage the passing of, and he doesn't want to sign it. He doesn't want to sign it, the Emergency Relief and Construction Act, which will give loans to the states. So the federal government is going to give loans not to individual people directly, but to the states, and that money then goes out to the people. And this really upsets Hoover, because in essence it's just a different way of saying that we are going to give money to the people as the federal government, and he doesn't want to do it because he believes in laissez-faire. He's really disturbed by this, and the cartoons at the time could show it. Hoover was often depicted in this kind of a mentality, or this kind of a cartoon, where he's facing what is in essence really a mountain of problems, but problems with which there's no solution, and it always feels to people that there are even more problems off on the horizon, that the storm clouds of the Great Depression are going to get even worse. And so Hoover, not knowing the best way to solve this problem, because he lives and believes in laissez-faire, is not going to do enough, unfortunately, to rescue the people.